Good morning, students. Next exercise is exercise 13.5. First example is a wall of length 10 meter was to be built across an open ground. एक wall given है आपको और wall की length given है 10 meter. Was to be built across an open ground. एक open ground के around बनाई गई है. Height of wall is 4 meter and its thickness is 24 centimeter. If this wall is to be built up with bricks. अब wall किसके साथ बनाई गई है? bricks के साथ. And dimension of one brick are 24 centimeter into 12 centimeter into 8 centimeter. How many bricks would be required? आपको ये बताना है कि कितने नंबर ऑफ bricks की requirement होगी. Length of wall that is equal to 10 meter. Height of wall is 4 meter and thickness is 24 centimeter. Similarly, dimensions of brick, that is length of brick, that is equal to 24 centimeter. Breadth, or you can write width of brick, that is equal to 12 centimeter, and height is 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. Now, firstly we check the units. Length of wall in meter and height is also in meter, but thickness is in centimeter and all dimensions of brick are in centimeter, so we convert meter into centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, then we multiply them with 100, that is 1000 centimeter. Similarly, 4 multiplied with 100, that is equal to 400 centimeter. Now we find volume of wall. Volume of wall. Volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height, that is equal to 1000 multiply with 400 multiply with 24, that is equal to cubic centimeter. Clear? 96 lakh cubic centimeter. Similarly, volume of one brick, volume of one brick, that will be equal to length into breadth into height of brick. Length is 24, breadth is 12 and height is 8, that is equal to 24 multiply with 12, 12 4 is 48, 288. Into 8, that is equal to 8 8 is 64, 8 8 is 64 plus 6, 70, 8 2 is 16 plus 7, 30, 1304 cubic centimeter. That is the volume of one brick, and we have to find out the number of bricks. Total number of bricks used to make wall. Total number of bricks required, that will be equal to volume of wall divided by volume of one brick. If we divide total volume with volume of one brick, then we get number of bricks, that is 96 lakh divided by 1304. It is divisible by 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 4 6s are 20, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, again 24, 1 are 24, 8 again divisible by 4, no 2, 12 divided by 163, that is equal to 12 lakh divided by 163, that will be equal to 4166.6. But we know that number of bricks cannot be in decimal, so it is equal to 4167 bricks. It means total number of bricks required will be 4167. Firstly, and get that height of wall is given to us, so we calculate its volume by converting all the units in centimeter. Similarly, dimensions of one brick is given, so we calculate volume of one brick, and to get total number of bricks we divide volume of whole by volume of one brick. Next question. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज ए चाइल्ड प्लेइंग विद बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक. एक चाइल्ड जो है वो प्ले कर रहा है किसके साथ, बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स के साथ, विच आर ऑफ द शेप ऑफ क्यूब, जो किसकी शेप में है, क्यूब की शेप में. हैज बिल्ट अ स्ट्रक्चर एज शोन इन फिगर. फिगर में शो किया गया है, इसलिए इस टाइप में क्या किया है, एक स्ट्रक्चर को फॉर्म किया है. इस तरीके से क्यूब्स जो है वो रखे हुए हैं. And next 4 cubes. And we know that cube has all edges of equal length. Similarly, next all are in the form of cube, that is a 3D structure. Like that. These all are cubes. Similarly, here we can see that total number of cubes. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So total number of cubes are 15. And if each edge of cube is of length 3 centimeter, length of edge of cube, that is 3 centimeter. We have to find the volume of structure. So firstly we calculate volume of one cube. So volume of one cube, and we know that volume of cube is a cube, that is equal to 3 cube, that is equal to 3 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 3, that is equal to 27 cubic centimeter. Now we have to find out the volume of 15 cubes. So volume of 15 cubes will be 50 multiplied with 27. 15 sevens are 105. 15 twos are 30 plus 10, that is 40 cubic centimeter. That is volume of complete structure is 405 cubic centimeter. Next question, first question of exercise 13.5. A matchbox measures 4 centimeter into 2.5 centimeter into 1.5 centimeter. Dimensions of a matchbox are given. That is length of matchbox, that is equal to 4 centimeter. Breadth of matchbox, that is 2.5 centimeter, and height is 1.5 centimeter. And we know that matchbox has a shape of cuboid. What will be the volume of packet containing 12 such back boxes? आपको वॉल्यूम बतानी है एक पैकेट की जिसके अंदर इस टाइप के 12 बॉक्सेस हैं. तो फर्स्टली वी फाइंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ one matchbox, that is equal to length into breadth into height, that is equal to 4 into 2.5 into 1.5. 4 point divided by 10. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. That is equal to 5 into 3, 15 cubic centimeter. That is the volume of one matchbox, and we have to find volume of 12 matchboxes. That is equal to 15 multiplied with 12. 12 5s are 60, 12 1s are 12, and 6 80. That is equal to 180 cubic centimeter. Dimension of one matchbox is given to us, so we calculate its volume. That is equal to L into B into H, length into breadth into height. And volume of 12 matchboxes will be 15 into 12, that is equal to 180 cubic centimeter. Next question is a cuboidal water tank, length of cuboidal tank, length is given, that is 6 meter, width is 5 meter, and depth, or you can say that its height, that is equal to 4.5 meter. How many liter of water can it hold? You have to find out the capacity of water in liter held in the tank. आपको क्या करना है, कैपेसिटी फाइंड आउट करनी है इस टैंक की, कितने होल्ड कर सकता है. ठीक है, सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, वॉल्यूम फाइंड आउट करेंगे. वॉल्यूम of cuboidal tank, that is equal to length into breadth into height, that is equal to 6 into 5 into 4.5. 4 point by 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 135 cubic meter. That is the volume of cuboidal tank. And we know that 1 meter cube, that is equal to 1000 liter. So 135 cubic meter will be 135 multiplied with 1000, that is equal to 1,35,000 liter water. So capacity of tank, that is equal to 1,35,000 liter. Clear? Next question is, a cuboidal vessel is 10 meter long, that is length of cuboidal vessel, that is equal to 10 meter. and its width is 8 meter. How high must it be? You have to find out its height to hold 380 cubic meter of a liquid. आपको वॉल्यूम गिवन है, वॉल्यूम of cuboidal vessel that is equal to 380 cubic meter. We have to find its height, length. Height of cuboidal vessel is small h meter, and we know that volume of cuboidal vessel is length into breadth into height. That is equal to volume, that is 380 cubic meter. Now length is 10 meter and breadth is 8 meter, and we have to find out h, that is equal to 380. H is equal to 380 divided by 10 multiply with 8. 10 into 8 क्या है आपके पास लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पर मल्टीप्लिकेशन में, तो राइट हैंड साइड पर डिवीजन में. 0 से 0 कैंसिल आउट, 2 4 जा 8, 19 2 जा 30. So h is equal to 19 by 4. That is equal to 4 4 जा 16, 4 7 जा 28, 4 5 जा 20 meter. So height of cuboidal vessel is 4.75 meter. Next question is find the cost of digging a cuboidal pit. We have to find cost of digging a pit whose length is given. Length of cuboidal pit. एक गड्ढा है, क्यूबोइडल शेप में है, इसकी लेंथ आपको गिवन है 8 मीटर, ब्रेड्थ that is equal to 6 meter and depth, or you can say that height that is equal to 3 meter. क्योंकि आपके पास जो पिट है वो किसके अंदर होगा, जमीन के अंदर होगा, ठीक है, इसलिए हम उसकी क्या लिखते हैं, डेप्थ लिखते हैं. और जो आपके पास अर्थ से ऊपर, जमीन से ऊपर चीज बनाई जाती है उसके लिए हम क्या लिखते हैं, हाइट लिखते हैं. एट द रेट ऑफ ₹30 पर क्यूबिक मीटर. आपको कॉस्ट गिवन है, कॉस्ट ऑफ डिगिंग for 1 cubic meter, that is 30 rupees. So firstly we calculate the volume of that cuboidal pit, and we know that volume of cuboidal pit is equal to length into breadth into height, that is equal to 8 into 6 into 3, that is equal to 8 6 48, 48 into 3, that is equal to 144 cubic meter, and cost of 1 cubic meter is 30 rupees. So cost of digging for 144 cubic meter will be 144 multiplied with 30, that is equal to 0 3 4 are 12, 3 4 are 12 plus 1 13, 3 1 are 3 plus 1 4. So cost will be 4,320 rupees. Okay, today we discussed 4 questions of exercise 13.5 and 2 examples. आपको ये सभी क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट करने हैं अपनी फेयर नोटबुक्स में, ठीक है. और अगर कोई डाउट है किसी बच्चे को तो पूछ सकते हैं.